Oh my gosh, guys, welcome to Toxalo YouTube channel. And if you know, subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. Of course, today we get a lot of gist for that, man. Then housemates here, Regina and Diana Decker. This one, them so hot, man. They're so hot. And of course, we get another issue between Mauzi and Kumkanda and Maudo and Salim side. So please now for watch this video till the end. Regina and Diana Decker then be host them na AYV television and it was hot, man. Regina send blow to Diana. You won't try me? Me no able to talk. Me no able to talk. But me not Jackie Chan. Anyways, guys, when I just take a look about what thing be happen that day, man. It was hot between these guys. It was very hot.
I think she's a
right.
psychotic bitch with multiple personalities.
Well, what you guys want say to go? Where we don't get to Allah. Look at the gun. Oh my God. Look at the gun. This day not be so easy for the housemates there, man. This day not be so easy for them, you know. You know, funny. Hey, my gosh. And another drama will happen now. We expect is between Papa Salon and that of Maudo. Papa Salon can talk on air. I see somebody tell him see Maudo no be flush the toilet. Oh my gosh. When I not go see Maudo in wrong side, but like past that day, Maudo be so hot. Maudo, me no ever see Maudo vex, but that day, Maudo even call the guy names. They say the guy when he be small and come up bad, the guy na kwashioko. Maudo. And we can't wait to see another drama between these guys, man. And Maudo say he wants for letting all guys and they see the two that stay on air, so in gonna and another drama, guys, are between Mauzi and that of Kumkanda. Urai Bangura don't do I'm back. Urai Bangura tell Lalim boy say Mauzi talk say Darling boy was fake in the house and him be not didn't know and Darling boy before housemate second. So inside the house it was fake. Guys, Darling boy that no go down well with if one left one left the talk show and go. But this coming week, oh guys, now then we they expect and it get for be very hot. Thanks for watching.